What doctors don't tell you about restoring male function, naturally advice for elderly if you're over 60 and noticing a drop in drive, confidence, or physical vitality. This isn't just aging, it's a silent biological slowdown triggered by years of neglect. And no, it's not just in your head, it's real and it's reversible. Most men think this is just how it is now, but that's the biggest mistake, because when your energy drops, your independence fades, and when function starts slipping, your world starts shrinking. But here's the truth. There are 5 natural remedies that can reignite your system, not with pills or surgery, but with real biological restoration. Stay with me till the end, because the last remedy is something doctors never mention. Yet it's what brings everything back together. Authority and stakes building in 2022, a study published in the Journal of Gerontology revealed that over 68% of men over 60 suffer a decline in core male function. But most of these men are never told why. Doctors focus on symptoms, not root causes, and when they prescribe quick fixes, they mask the issue, they don't solve it. What really causes decline is hidden deep inside: poor circulation, chronic inflammation, hormone imbalance. And all 3 can be reversed. Ignore it, and it doesn't just stay the same. You lose strength, clarity, confidence. You feel like you're fading, but change a few natural habits, and you can restore what matters most. Main content sections 1. The power of nitric oxide. Every major male function begins with blood flow, and blood flow begins with nitric oxide. But here's the catch. After 60, your natural levels plummet. And that means slower circulation, weaker response, and fatigue. A 2018 study in the American Journal of Hypertension showed men over 60 had 50% lower nitric oxide levels than men in their 30s. That's huge. Because nitric oxide opens up blood vessels, it's like flipping a switch from off to on. More nitric oxide equals more flow equals more life. You can boost it with beetroot, spinach, and pomegranate. Just 1 glass of beet juice daily can double nitric oxide in under 2 weeks. Add 30 minutes of brisk walking, and it multiplies the effect. Neglect this, and your vessels stay constricted. You'll feel tired even after rest, and function, it just stalls. 2. Vitamin D3 and testosterone link. This one surprises most men. Vitamin D isn't just for bones. It regulates testosterone, and guess what? Most elderly men are severely deficient. One Harvard study found that men with low vitamin D had 20% lower testosterone. That translates to less drive, more belly fat, and slower recovery. Vitamin D works like a hormonal ignition key. Without it, testosterone can't spark properly. Sunlight is your best source. But most older adults avoid the sun. That means supplementation is essential. Aim for 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily. Take it with healthy fat like avocado or olive oil for absorption. Avoid taking it late at night. It may interfere with sleep. Skip this and your hormones stay dormant. You'll feel flat, weak, unmotivated, but once you restore it, you begin to feel alive again. 3. Zinc and cellular repair. Zinc isn't just a mineral, it's your body's repair crew. Every time a cell breaks down, zinc is sent to rebuild. And it's vital for testosterone production. Without it, your body's signals break down. A study in nutrition research found that supplementing zinc for 6 months raised male hormone levels by 45%. That's almost half restored. Zinc rich foods include pumpkin seeds, lentils, and oysters. But here's the key. Your body doesn't store zinc. You must replenish it daily. 15 to 30 mg a day is optimal. Too much, and it may block copper. So balance matters. Skip this, and your cells remain damaged. You heal slower, feel older, move less. Restore it, and repair accelerates. Your body responds, your energy returns. 4. Adaptogens and stress hormones. Stress destroys male function. It raises cortisol, and cortisol eats away at testosterone. Enter adaptogens. Plants that rewire your stress response. The top 3: ashwagandha, rhodiola, and ginseng. Ashwagandha has been shown in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition to raise testosterone by up to 17% in 8 weeks. It also lowers cortisol, and with lower cortisol, your system resets. You think clearer, sleep deeper, feel calmer. Take 300-600 mg of ashwagandha or root daily. Use rhodiola in the morning for alertness. Take ginseng before meals for energy. Skip adaptogens and stress becomes chronic. That weakens everything from function to mood, but harness them, and you regain control. 5. Pelvic floor activation. Most people focus on muscles they can see, but the muscles that matter most are hidden. Your pelvic floor is the foundation of male vitality. If it's weak, nothing works well, but here's the overlooked truth: you can train it. Simple exercises like Kegels restore control. Start with 5-second holds, 10 reps, 3 times a day. Do it while sitting, standing, or lying down. Add deep breathing to enhance the effect. A strong pelvic floor improves stability, bladder control, and intimate function. Neglect it, and things just stop working. But strengthen it, and you regain power from the inside out. Transition bridges now. Here's where it gets interesting. These 5 solutions don't just work in isolation, they work together. Synergy is the secret. But the real power comes when you combine them consistently. Day by day, you restore what time has taken, not by chance, but by design. And this leads us to the core truth. Emotional amplification. This isn't just about restoring energy. It's about reclaiming freedom, because when function declines, you lose more than strength. You lose moments. You lose confidence in public, clarity in conversation, and connection at home. But when your system resets, your world expands again. You walk taller, speak clearer, think sharper, and move without fear. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about protecting dignity. Your function represents your independence, and you still have the power to protect it. Final call to action. Your body isn't failing you. It's speaking to you. Each symptom is a signal, and each signal is a chance to act. This isn't about magic pills or wishful thinking. It's about real change through real choices. You don't need to wait until something breaks. Start now. Take back control. You deserve to move with confidence, to feel strength where it matters, to wake up each day with clarity and courage. Don't let anyone tell you it's over, because it's not even close. Your body can rebuild, and your future is still yours to shape. The first step is choosing to believe that.